Hello my lovely foodies, this is CiCi. Today I want to share with you a beef noodle soup recipe that I'm sure you will enjoy. Shao Niu Rou Mian. To prepare for the spice bag, in a flat bottom pan over low heat, place in the cinnamon, star anise, cloves, coriander seeds, and Sichuan peppercorns. Stir until aromatic for about 2 minutes. Transfer the spices to a spice bag. Also add in the bay leaves. Tie the bag and set aside. To prepare for the beef shank, in a pan over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of extra light olive oil, the beef. Stir fry until lightly browned for about 5 minutes. Remove and set aside. In the same pan over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of extra light olive oil. Place in the onion, ginger, and scallions. Add the Sichuan Pixian broad bean paste and stir fry for another minute. Pour in the soy sauce, rice wine, and cook for 30 seconds. Return the beef shank and mix well. Now we're going to add hot boiling water. Also add the yellow rock sugar and the spice bag. Mix together. Cover the lid and bring it to a simmer. Turn to low heat and simmer for 2 hours. Remove the spice bag. And at this point, we can filter out any impurity. To cook the Shanghai bok choy, in a pot of water over high heat, bring the water to a boil. Blanch it for 30 seconds. Remove and set aside. To cook the noodles, in the same pot of boiling water over high heat, cook the noodles until al dente, 3 minutes. If you like to make the noodles from scratch, you can also click on the link right here. Place the noodles in a bowl. Pour in the soup and place the beef and the Shanghai bok choy on top. I must say this is the most delicious beef noodle soup I have ever had. Like, the soup itself has so many dimensions of flavors in it. It's super savory, a little spicy, a little sweet, and the beef, wow, when you eat it, instantly melted. So good. So I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. Oh, there's another thing that I want to mention to everyone, that like after 2 hours of cooking the soup, most of the onion and scallions kind of melted away in my soup. But if yours isn't completely melted, you can kind of just filtered it out, so when you eat the beef noodle soup, you don't have other stuff in it. It's kind of clear and nice. And again, I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe and thumbs up. Also share this really awesome video with your friends and your family, and I will see you again next Friday. Bye bye!